Are your Microsoft SQL application failing because of the Msxmlsql library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. To begin our Msxmlsql library troubleshooting, choose between the manual path or a resource for standardized maintenance. This is the Msxmlsql library, the XML for SQL Server library. It manages the localized unmanaged parsing of localized XML data streams within SQL Server client tools. It facilitates the localized mapping of localized XML tags to localized SQL relational data structures. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. This is a Windows system integrity error involving a core library. I suggest using the system file checker by running sfc/scan now in an administrator command prompt to let the system automatically heal files like Msxmlsql library DLL. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Msxmlsql library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry Hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Warning: Msxmlsql library DLL missing error is often a symptom of a larger issue that a simple manual download will never be able to fully resolve. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. To minimize background load and improve stability, the diagnostic kit linked in the description includes Msxmlsql library documentation. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Msxmlsql library. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.